So Ryan, what we saw today was kind of a case of the Mondays epitomized.
Right.
That's fair.
But things after the weekend that we saw was just beautiful weekend. But
Yeah, and we kind of sandwiched it between the chances for rain
Right,
too. We had the
right.
soaker on Friday. I have to say, I kind of feel bad for people who maybe were on vacation last week or this week. You know, not the best weather, but Amanda, you still managed to have fun, right?
You know, a day not at work is still a day not at work.
100%. Especially if you're, you know,
The
at the
newsroom
beach
loved that
or
one.
right. Who cares? You know, I'm with you 100%. Let's start with the headlines this afternoon. It's looking pretty nice out over Bar Harbor now. The sun has come out there. It is going to be cloudier tomorrow, so not quite as nice, and a couple of showers. Nothing too significant though. Cooler weather expected the next couple of days, especially near the coastline. Only be in the 60s tomorrow, but there is warmer weather in the forecast late week, and it'll actually turn a little bit more humid as well. 79 right now in Bangor, where we've been in the sunshine now for several hours. 75 in Portland, so pretty pleasant July evening, and it's a little bit humid too. Dew points are in the 60s in central and southern Maine, but look at northern Maine. Dew points in the 40s. Much drier air in that direction. Some of this dry air will come south tonight, but it won't feel super comfortable. Dew points drop to around 60 in most spots. Nice and dry right now. A couple of very light showers over in New Hampshire, but not much to speak of otherwise. The problem the next couple of days is this weather boundary here. It's really a stalled front, isn't going to go anywhere, so it'll keep the clouds around and the chances for showers in the forecast both tomorrow and Wednesday. So through the evening, no issues. 9 o'clock, nice and dry, temps dropping into the 60s. Maybe some areas of fog that develop overnight tonight, and by tomorrow morning it's generally cloudy. Lows in the 50s up north, close to 60 farther south. Tomorrow is a generally cloudy day too. There won't be as much sunshine tomorrow. And there will be some showers, particularly in New Hampshire, southern and western Maine. This is where the highest chance for showers will be tomorrow. Driest weather will be in eastern and northern Maine, where there will be some breaks of sunshine. That's where the warmest weather will be tomorrow as well. But in central and southern Maine, where we hang on to the clouds, it really isn't going to warm up a whole lot. I think we only hit 66 in Portland, 68 in Lewiston, 64 in Cape Nettic. So a cooler day tomorrow. Right around 70 in Augusta, but 72 in Skowhegan. And again, where we see some more sunshine in eastern Maine, it will be a little bit warmer tomorrow. I think we get to 71 in Ellsworth, and look at Lincoln, 79. So a little bit warmer to the north of Bangor tomorrow. Then on Wednesday, we have a couple of fronts in the area, still pretty cloudy with a chance for a shower or two in the morning. Wednesday afternoon, this cold front will approach, and it may trigger some showers and thunderstorms in the mountains Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. After that, we get into much more humid air for the end of the week. May have some clouds and fog Thursday morning, but we should see increasing sunshine Thursday afternoon. Looks warm and humid for both Thursday and Friday. For the weekend, we'll be watching this front approach from the west, and the question is, how quickly does it approach and how quickly does it move through? Right now, it looks like the highest chance for showers and thunderstorms will be on Saturday, and if we can keep moving this front, Sunday would be in good shape. But if it slows down right over us, we'd have to keep a chance for showers in the forecast for Sunday too. So overall, the weather looks better late week, but it won't be perfect. And if you have plans on Saturday, have the plan at least to get inside, because there may be a few showers and storms around. Look at the humidity too. That comes back. Dew points up around 70 for Saturday. It'll be super humid late week. Tomorrow, seas running 2 to 3 feet with an easterly wind 5 to 10 knots. Casco Bay temperature now at 60 degrees. So mostly cloudy tomorrow with a few showers around. Scattered showers on Wednesday too, and then it becomes more humid for Thursday and Friday. Temperatures up into the 80s. I think Friday probably the pick of the upcoming week. Saturday, dry in the morning, a chance for showers and storms Saturday afternoon, very humid with highs in the 80s, and then a chance for showers on Sunday, but it really depends on how quickly that front moves. Hopefully we can move it out and get at least one weekend day in totally dry. That'd be nice.
Yeah, we could use that.
Yeah, I'd take that.
Thanks, Ryan.